The way you can get different shades of skin tone within just few seconds. Okay, so I've already retouched this picture in our previous class. In case if you miss it, you can check my channel for it. Okay, this was the raw of this picture, and this is after. So in today, I'm going to show you how you can get different shades of skin tone easy. Okay, so from this is the first skin tone, and this is the second skin tone, same picture, and this is the third skin tone, as you can see, white, and this is fourth skin tone, as you can see, and this is the fifth skin tone. Same picture, different skin tones. Okay, so I'm going to show you easy way you can do it here in Photoshop. Okay, so now this is day 23 of our 31 days 2026 high-end retouching masterclass. And if this is the first time coming across my channel, please do subscribe and hit the bell button so you won't miss any video from this channel. And also, if you mix other of our previous class, you can check my channel for this. Okay, so without much ado, this is my all-in-one retouching preset right here, which is the preset we are using, and this is the preset you need as a retoucher and as a graphic designer and as an editor. Just one click, this will do the magic. This preset contains everything you need. Okay, so you can check the pinned comment of this tutorial, or you check my channel description for the link to download it. Okay, so now this is this picture right here. So we want to change the skin tone of this picture to another skin tone. So what we do, easy way you can do it, you have to come this side and create a solid color adjustment here. So you get something like this. So what you do is to pick color that is close to human skin tone. Okay, so now we have to move this slide to somewhere here. You know, orange is close to human skin tone. So we pick somewhere here, or we pick somewhere here. So this is okay now. So we click OK. Now this, we are going to change the blending mode to, from here, we're going to change it to soft lights. Okay, so as you can see, now this is the skin tone that this gives us. So this is the before and this is after. Before and this is after. And this skin tone, we want this skin tone to be only on the skin. Okay, so what we do is to go to the mask side of this layer here and invert it, Command I or Control I to hide it. Then you pick your brush tool. Make sure that your foreground color is white or black, than opacity 100, flow 100. Your brush should be on soft round brush. Okay, so you just have to zoom and paint only the skin, paint on the skin. So you have to take your time and paint on the skin. So this is one of the easy way you can get your amazing skin tone in Photoshop. It's as easy as this. Okay, so remember to avoid the lips. Okay, so the target is only the skin. Okay, so as you can see here, we don't put in the skin. So this is before and this is after. So this is how this skin tone is. So let me show you how you can change it to any skin tone at all. Okay, so you have already achieved this. Now inside here, inside this layer, this side of the layer, just double click on this side, okay, to bring back this. So from here you can pick any color. You can see how it's changing. So this is a dark chocolate skin tone this way. If you want to make it white, you can take it to white this side to get this white skin. Okay, so this is how you pick around any skin tone that you want to use for your picture. This is how you can get it. It's as easy as this. Okay, so Once you are satisfied with the skin tone that you need, you are satisfied with the skin tone that you need, you click OK. Remember, you can drop your opacity if you feel like the skin tone is much. You drop the opacity, you know. So, so this is before and after of this particular skin tone. Okay, so this is how you can be able to get any kind of skin tone you want. I hope this tutorial is helpful, and if this tutorial helped you, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also hit the bell button so you won't miss any of tutorial from this channel. And also, don't forget, this is our 31 days high-end retouching masterclass, and don't mix any class. And this is the 23, and I will see you in the 24. Thank you for watching.